Ronda. The name rolls off the tongue, evoking images of sun-drenched plazas and passionate flamenco. This Andalusian town, perched dramatically above El Tajo Gorge, is a must-see on any Spanish adventure. Forget bustling Barcelona or crowded Seville. Ronda offers an authentic taste of Spain. Imagine strolling cobblestone streets lined with orange trees and charming shops. The air is filled with the scent of jasmine and the sound of Spanish guitar. Warm evenings are made for enjoying tapas in a plaza, watching the world go by. Ronda is a feast for the senses, a place to relax and soak up the Spanish lifestyle. Come discover the magic of this hidden gem. Ronda's most iconic site is undoubtedly Puente Nuevo, a magnificent bridge spanning the dizzying El Tajo Gorge. Completed in 1793, the bridge connects the old and new towns, offering spectacular views. Gaze down into the depths of the gorge where the Guadalquivir River winds its way through the rugged landscape. The sheer scale of the chasm is awe-inspiring. For the best views, head to the Mirador de Puente Nuevo, a lookout point offering breathtaking panoramas. Another must-visit is the Alameda del Tajo, a beautiful park perched on the edge of the cliff. Stroll along the tree-lined paths, stopping to admire the stunning vistas. Ronda's unique location guarantees unforgettable views from every angle. Ronda's history stretches back millennia, with evidence of human settlement dating back to the Neolithic period. The Romans, drawn to the strategic location, established the settlement of Atinipo nearby. Later, the Moors conquered Ronda, leaving an indelible mark on the town's architecture and culture. Wander through the narrow streets of La Ciudad, the old Moorish quarter, and imagine life under Moorish rule. Don't miss the Banos Arabes, well-preserved Arab baths dating back to the 13th century. These baths, with their intricate arches and star-shaped skylights, offer a glimpse into Ronda's Moorish past. Ronda is a living history book, waiting to be explored. No visit to Ronda is complete without a visit to the Plaza de Toros, one of the oldest and most beautiful bull rings in Spain. Built in 1785, the bull ring played a pivotal role in the development of modern bullfighting. Another must-see is the Palacio de Mondragon, a stunning palace that seamlessly blends Moorish and Renaissance styles. Today, it houses the Museo Municipal de Ronda, where you can learn about the town's rich history and culture. For a taste of local life, head to the Mercado de Abastos, a bustling market where you can find fresh produce, local cheeses, and cured meats. And be sure to sample some of the region's culinary delights, such as oxtail stew or Ronda-style gazpacho. Ronda is a feast for the senses, offering a unique blend of history, culture, and breathtaking beauty. Come discover the magic of this Andalusian gem.